what I like is Bill Gates, mentioned that, agents will upend computing like GUI once did. And GUI is obviously the graphical user interface. So, Bill Gates with Windows, anyone that's not familiar with one of the probably most famous people. But, that was another massive jump where, he had to think of operating systems that were purely in text and think, well, how are we going to get a graphical user interface? Like, what are we going to do? And that's where Windows came with, the buttons and, the links you can click with the drop down. So a lot of those elements were forged from there. So you've got this sort of visionary also identifying that, they're really going to, and this I think was even back in 2023, that they're really going to be lead a transformative shift in just changing how people, interact with technology.
Yeah, I think Sam Altman said in 2025, we'll see the first AI agents materially change company output.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and why now? I think the massive jump in model performance in kind of the recent GPT 4.0, Claude 3, and integration with tools and APIs.
Absolutely. So, I mean, that's what we were just mentioning as well. Like, there's the infrastructure for this, and the fact that it's only being standardized now and rolled out is that you probably have even interacted with agents that aren't potentially even built on a lot of those protocols. So, things are set to change, and they're going to change rapidly.
Yeah, I think this kind of is a good segue into kind of like knowing the AI agents are already at work. And so, we think of AI agents as it's all futuristic and it's not here, but it's actually already here. And it's not really the humanoid robots, but it's the digital workers really working behind the scenes.
I think that's a good way of thinking about it as well, is that they don't have a physical form, but it is, sort of digital workers that, are interacting and processing through things. And you can think of everything from sort of handling legal reviews in legal firms to writing up the SOAP notes for clinics to managing inventory at Walmart. It's already here and it's doing high value skilled work. And this is just the starting point.
Yeah, and there's a few different agents that I've actually played with already. One of them is Manus and DeepSeek is another. But it's amazing to see because you actually see it working in front of you, going to the websites, doing the tasks. And some of it does take longer versus like trying to pull information from GPT or Claude. It spins it up very fast. But when you see them going to the websites, actually scanning it, booking things, creating reports, all that in real time in the applications, you're like, wow, this is actually amazing. And I think some of them do a great job. I almost call it like a brute force way of doing things, but it does it pretty effectively. Yeah, it's exciting times.
I'm curious, in video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company IIIMPACT, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore, and how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.